Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is a suite of advanced active safety technologies and driver assistance systems designed to help address three key areas of accident protection: preventing or mitigating frontal collisions, keeping drivers within their lane, and enhancing road safety during nighttime driving. TSS 2.0 builds on the previous TSS-C and TSS-P suites, and it consists of 6 active safety and driver assistance systems. For TSS 2.0, the pre-collision system, or PCS, uses an integrated forward-facing camera and grille-mounted radar system designed to help mitigate or avoid a frontal collision. TSS 2.0 enhances the pre-collision system with the addition of low-light detection for vehicles and pedestrians, as well as daytime detection of bicycles. For TSS 2.0, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, or DRCC, is a high-tech cruise control system that uses a front grille-mounted radar and a forward-facing camera to detect vehicles in front of you and automatically adjust the vehicle's speed to help maintain a preset distance behind a vehicle ahead. With the exception of manual transmission vehicles, TSS 2.0 features full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, which is designed to enable low-speed following, speed matching, stopping, acceleration, and deceleration to a preceding vehicle. Lane Departure Alert, or LDA, is designed to use an in-vehicle camera to detect lane departure when traveling on relatively straight roads with clear lane markings. If LDA determines that the vehicle is starting to unintentionally deviate from its visibly marked lane, the system alerts the driver with an audio and visual alert. In addition to this alert function, TSS 2.0 vehicles equipped with electronic power steering also include steering assist. When this functionality is enabled and LDA senses that the vehicle is unintentionally drifting from its lane, the system may automatically make small corrective steering inputs to help the driver keep the vehicle in its lane. For TSS 2.0, LDA has been updated with road edge detection, which may be capable of sensing the boundary between the road surface and the side of the road. Automatic High Beams, or AHB, is a safety system designed to help the driver see more clearly at night while reducing glare for other drivers. When activated, AHB is designed to rely on an in-vehicle camera to help detect the headlights of oncoming vehicles and taillights of preceding vehicles, then automatically toggle between high and low beams. A new feature for TSS 2.0, Road Sign Assist, or RSA, is designed to read certain traffic signs and display them on the vehicle's multi-information display, or MID. This provides the driver with additional awareness of posted road signs. Some vehicles come with Lane Tracing Assist, or LTA, a new feature for TSS 2.0. LTA is designed to work in conjunction with full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control to keep the vehicle centered in its visibly marked lane and preemptively avoid unintended lane departures. LTA uses an integrated forward-facing camera and grille-mounted radar system, as well as the path of the vehicle ahead if needed, and is designed to automatically make constant steering inputs to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Drivers are responsible for their own safe driving. Always pay attention to your surroundings and drive safely. See your owner's manual for more information on the limitations of Toyota Safety Sense.